Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your card website. This is a fantastic way to enhance your site's engagement by incorporating music, podcasts, or any audio content that resonates with your audience. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to card.co. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll be directed to your card dashboard where all your site management happens. Now, in the upper right panel of your dashboard, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Site. Click on that if you're starting fresh, or if you already have a site you want to edit, simply select that existing site from your dashboard. Either way, this is where you'll begin building or modifying your site to include audio. Next, you'll be presented with several template options. For this tutorial, navigate to Blank Page and click Select. Starting with a blank canvas gives you full control over the layout and design, making it easier to place your audio element exactly where you want it. Once your blank page is loaded, look to the upper right corner of the editor and click the plus button. This opens up a menu of elements you can add to your site. From this menu, select Audio. You can then drag this audio element to your preferred destination on the page. Position it where it makes the most sense for your visitors, whether that's at the top, middle, or bottom of your layout. Now it's time to source your audio. Open a new tab and head over to soundcloud.com or any other audio hosting site you prefer. Browse through and select the song or audio file you want to feature on your site. Once you've found it, copy the link to that audio file. This link is what you'll use to embed the audio into your card site. Go back to your card editor. In the left panel, you'll see a field labeled URL. Paste the link you just copied into this field, then click Done. This step connects your chosen audio file to the audio element on your page, making it ready to play with your audio now embedded. It's time to make your site live. In the upper right panel, click the Publish this site button. This will open up the publishing settings where you can finalize a few details before your site goes public. In the left panel, you'll see fields for entering your site's title and description. Fill these in thoughtfully, as they help visitors understand what your site is about and can also impact how it appears in search results. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the name field. This is where you'll create your custom URL. Next to .card.co, type in the URL name you'd like to use for your site. Choose something memorable and relevant to your content. Once you've entered all your information, click Publish Changes. After the site publishes successfully, click View Site to open it in a new tab. Now, test your audio by clicking the play button on your site. If everything is set up correctly, your audio should play smoothly, enhancing your visitors' experience. And there you have it. You've successfully added audio to your card website, making it more interactive and engaging for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.